awesome ones. It's Heather here with absolutely no makeup on. Do you even recognize me? Oh my gosh. Well, I thought I would do something really different in this video. What I wanted to do a video with absolutely no makeup on and talk about confidence and beauty. Am I going to be able to do this confidently? We'll soon see in just a few seconds. So I remember being at the grocery checkout and looking at some magazines of famous movie stars without their makeup, you know, like caught without their makeup. And I remember at the time when I was modeling, I thought, oh my gosh, that's just terrible. And from now on, I'm not even going grocery shopping without my makeup on. So if you're new to my videos, here's me on one of my recent ones with my full makeup on, and it's pretty well perfect. I mean, I've done a number on the mascara and fixed my hooded eyes, covered up my spots, you know, got some nice lip liner and lipstick on. It's all beautiful. But back to me. This is not about her. This is about me, just plain me, well, let's face it, I'm 63 years old. I'm much older and I've got spots and all. And I'm talking about me who doesn't even think of starting her day without putting her inner beauty on. So here I am, naturally. I mean, I've got my dark spots, I got my under eye circles, I've got wrinkles, all for you to see. And well, let me just tell you about a little story. The other day I was in a restaurant and I just happened to catch myself in one of those mirrors, and I was walking by and I did what I just did right now. I literally sighed, because in the modeling world a lot of people would think that I'm overweight now. And I glanced at myself in the mirror and I saw I was wearing this white top, and I thought, oh man, you look really heavy in that. Because of course it was a side view, you know what I'm talking about. And it was a really hot day, my makeup was melting, because I'd been eating, I had no more lipstick left. And I walked by the mirror, and then as I passed by and went to where we were sitting, something changed. I was in a restaurant with Bill. It was our son's birthday and we had this amazing night plan. There was so much energy in the air, and you know what? I felt beautiful. Thinking back of that woman that I saw in the mirror, all I thought about was, geez, I better put on a little bit of lipstick and let's get this party started. So it could have gone another way. I could have felt fat and ugly and old. And you know what? What was that going to do for the rest of the evening? Absolutely nothing. And instead I just changed it around and put on a little bit of lipstick and had a great evening. So that's what I'm trying to say in this video. You know, I love makeup. Let's face it, I love makeup. I love enhancing my eyes and my lips and my cheekbones and all of that sort of thing. But what this video is about is, before you get started putting your eye makeup on to enhance your eyes, put the sparkle behind the eyes a little bit. Get your confidence, your inner glow going. So maybe even after you put on your makeup, you feel just a little bit ordinary. Well, you know what? You're not. Think about the people who love you. Think about the things in your life, your gratitude. That's how you get the confidence and the glow and the energy going, is thinking about all those wonderful things. Yeah, you're enhancing your eyelashes and your lips and that sort of thing, but it's that inner glow that really sparkles. And I'm going to tell you something else too, and a lot of you know this, that when I was modeling, I was bulimic. And I'm going to tell you, a lot of those women that we look at and we hold ourselves to those kind of standards, they might not even be healthy, because I know for sure I was not healthy. And so, yeah, go ahead, eat right, exercise, but really hold yourself to your standards. And let's talk about something else too while we're at it. Let's talk about growing old gracefully. Hey, as many of you know, I've never had any needles, I've never had any surgery. This is just me. And I have chosen to grow old gracefully. And this is called Awesome Over 50. So I can be doing this for quite some time right now. And I invite you to come along on the road less needled along with me. And as we go along on this journey, you know, let's let our silver hair shine. Let's let our laugh lines show, and let's have a little bit of fun along the way. We're going to be so damn beautiful writing in the comments and sharing our stories about, oh, how castor oil brought back our eyebrows, and oh, how this new purple shampoo really makes my silver locks look lovely, and just the way we share everything right now in the comments. It's wonderful. The important thing is that a lot of these comments will not only be about our outside, it'll be about our inner beauty as well. And someone else who has inner beauty to the max is our little Hurricane. Hey, Hurricane, he certainly does. And I have to say, in my opinion, he's a beautiful dog. But, you know, oh, he wants his little treat right now. But I think all dogs are beautiful. And sometimes I look at these dogs and I go, that's an ugly dog. But you know, when those people walk in the door and that little tail is wagging and he's twirling around, he's no longer an ugly dog. He's a beautiful dog that makes so much happiness, like this little guy is doing right now, and shares so much love. And that's what I'm trying to say about you. And not that you're an ugly dog or anything, but you know, wag your tail a little bit and exude the happiness and share that inner beauty. So do I think you should still wear some makeup? Of course I do. I mean, you're enhancing your eyebrows and your eyelashes and your lips, and it's really more of an enhancement, because as you know, I don't do the real phony looks with the makeup. So, oh, and by the way, you know, if you're interested in knowing my makeup, Amazon.com/shop-awesomeover50. I know that sounds like a little plug here, but hey, if you want to know that, we make a little commission on it. So thank you for that. But back to my story. So how did I do? Like, I would really love to know in your comments whether you felt that you could feel my inner confidence with no makeup on, maybe even my inner beauty, and you know, if you felt that that was a really good message or not. I'd really like to know that. And I guess the other thing too is that I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys are just amazing. And also, if you're not a subscriber, there's a subscriber button down there, and plus ring that bell, and you'll get the videos on Tuesday. They're lifestyle and fun and travel and all that sort of thing. And then of course on the Fridays are these videos with beauty, makeup or no makeup, and also fashion. So in the meantime, folks, until we meet again, I really hope that you got your confidence back. And when you walk by those mirrors, take a breath and go, I'm beautiful, I'm confident, and I'm just going to shine out there to this wonderful world that we have. And keep it awesome, folks. We'll see you later. Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.